Cold email campaigns are popular for promoting your web design services, but it can be hard to stand out from the competition. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to generate clients for your web design business. Who am I? I'm the cold email king. We've sent millions of cold emails, and our agency X27 specializes in finding high caliber clients for agencies. I'm not trying to sell my agency in this video. I am just going to show you exactly what we do and what you can do whenever we want to find web design clients for one of our agencies or one of our clients. So stick around. This is going to be a good one. I want to put enough value in this that it could be a mini course. So if you're really interested in this content, then I would please ask you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That's the only payment I'm looking for. All right, let's get into it. Before finding clients, you must niche down. It's easy as a web design business to think that you can do everything for anybody. You could build WordPress sites. Sure, somebody's looking for that. You could build a Shopify store. Okay, yeah, maybe someone wants to build a Magento. Sure, you can do that, whatever, who cares? But clients don't want that jack of all trades. If you want to succeed with a cold email campaign, then you need to create an offer that works for one use case, an offer that works for one target audience. So what I do with our clients is we start by looking at their website. So let's start by searching web design Chicago and see if we can't find an agency to look at. Top web designers in Chicago. We'll start on Clutch. Orbit Media is #1, Alpha Efficiency. So here's what I would do for Brian. I would look at the portfolio of customers that he's worked with, and I would try to niche down based on this. So let's talk about this. Alpha Efficiency, based on the research, now has a couple niches that they can pick. You saw we have e-commerce, B2C. There is B2C funded tech, startups, application development, and that's enough. So we know we're going for B2C application development, and we also know that we're going for B2C funded tech startup. Does that mean Brian has to reconfigure his whole agency and only take these two type of clients from now on? No. It does mean he should write cold email campaigns that use these as an example. And each one of these would be a different cold email campaign with a different type of lead that he could also get on LeadShark. So now we've picked the niche. From here, if you're trying to create a cold email outreach campaign to generate leads, you need to answer 3 questions, and we kind of already answered one of them. It is, who is the target? What is the offer? And what is my qualification? What is my case study? So let's pick one of these campaigns. Now we know the target is B2C funded tech startups. The offer is optimized, well-designed website. And the case study, multi-unit pros. And the way that I would phrase this is like this. Recently, we helped multi-unit pros rebuild their website for real estate listings, and the improvements netted them an additional $200K in revenue. Would love to do the same for company. And now the cold email writes itself. So we've got the target, the offer, and the case study. So now I can actually turn this case study line into an email. First, let's find a lead. So let's go over to LeadShark. And let me niche this down actually. Instead of B2C funded tech startups, I think we can just go for real estate listing sites. So multi-unit pros are trying to do this. Let's just talk to people that sell real estate and rebuild their backend. So the target is going to be real estate and commercial real estate. So now let's sign in and make this happen. And by the way, now that I'm thinking about it, an additional 200K in revenue is tiny for real estate. So I would actually make this bigger, like 20 million in revenue, because one new sale is going to be more than 200,000. So let's go into LeadShark. We'll click industry. I'll type real estate. I'll type commercial real estate. Lead location, we'll go with the United States. Job title, I want to say CEO. If this doesn't work, then we can find that out. And then number of employees, we want bigger firms, so 51 to 5,000 people. And hit search. Let's see what we got. And we have 617 leads that match this criteria. So let's check one of these guys out on LinkedIn. Jason Fritton, CEO and chairman of Patch of Land. Let me connect with him. Unpersonalized connection, of course, as is the LinkedIn strategy. And let me just double check that he's a lead that matches the criteria that we want by looking at patch of land. Real estate investing made simpler. So he's a real estate investor. So yeah, that works. Okay, so he is the guy that we're talking to, this kind of guy. So let's write an email for him. Cold email. Subject. Quick question. Hey, Jason. A friend told me about patch of land, and the more I dig into your investment thesis, the more I love what you're doing. Recently, we helped multi-unit pros rebuild their website for real estate listings, and the improvements netted them an additional $20 million in revenue. Would love to do the same for patch of land. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Brian. And then you'd put his signature here at the bottom. And there you go. This email follows what we call the 3 C's, which is compliment, case study, and call to action. The compliment butters them up, tells them why you're reaching out. The case study tells them why you're qualified, and the call to action leads them to the next step. And if you have those 3 things in your cold email, you don't need anything else. Notice how short this is, a succinct cold email that'll fit on a phone screen without needing to scroll. In terms of testing, I would send to a minimum of 200 people in order to make this work. And actually, in order to help you with your cold email campaigns, I want to give you 200 leads for only $9, which you can claim at leadshark.com/YouTube. You can grab your 200 leads, even match this exact criteria, and grab these 200 leads, cold email them with a script similar to this, and let me know how it goes down in the comments. That'll give you enough of a start to ideally get addicted to cold email, and you can continue to improve from there. I'm not saying you're going to make $1 million off of 200 emails grabbing the exact script from this video. In fact, maybe more people are sending this exact pitch now as we speak, but it will teach you the entire process of sending the emails out. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.